Information includes both electronic and physical forms of information. Information management is the ability of the organization being able to collate, manage, store, and deliver the right information at the right time to the right people. The data gathering process needs to be considered before the data is gathered and steps followed throughout the process. Planning your steps will make the process more worthwhile, smooth and transparent, allowing the metrics to be met and the end result to achieve what you designed it to do. Step 1. Identification of opportunities for data gathering and data collation might include standard user forms, surveys, phone calls, emails, social media, and tracking technologies. Step 2. Setting the goals that you need to achieve from the data. During this step, opportunities and threats from data gathering should also be identified. Step 3. Creating a plan of your approach to gathering data. How are you going to do this? Step 4. At this step, you need to execute your plans for gathering the data. You need to ensure that all the data you gather is relevant, measurable, and safe. You will also need a clear and transparent use case for the individuals you are going to be using the data from. Step 5. Now that you have gathered the data, you need to examine the outcomes against your goals, targets, and metrics. At this stage, the data is pulled into a format that can be taken through to actioning as appropriate. For example, the data could show that more white males are applying for certain jobs within a company, and you were not expecting this to be the case. Step 6. From the analysis of data gathered, what actions can you realistically do to have an impact that you want? Is this going to take more actions than you initially thought? All targets should be SMART in order to be able to achieve the bigger goals. What do we mean by SMART targets? Specific. What is the action? Measurable. How will you know when this has been achieved? Achievable. Can it be done with the resources you have? Realistic. Is the action realistic, or have you chosen something that cannot realistically be done in the time frame or budget? Time-bound. When are you wanting to achieve this target? If you found this video useful, here are some more you might like. Remember to subscribe to our channel to view our videos as soon as they're released.